Kept flying out of the cage, and what she's doing now is she'll land on the side, and she'll just hang.
This Alfie taking a bath.
Come on, Munchkin.
Is it an Alfie? She's only 3 months old.
Come on, baby.
What kind of duck is she?
A Moscavi.
Moscavi, there we go. A beautiful Moscavi.
You need help? Do you need help getting right here?
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
There you go.
There she is. Oh. Hey.
You hear her voice, how it's raspy?
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday, all day, we had her doing this.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. No, Munchkin. Oh, yes, I know. I know you ate this. Oh, I know, Munchkin. I know.
Oh,
did you win
She's like, when you go out, oh, kisses. When you go out, try to get her peace.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do that. Oh, I know.
No.
You got no monkey.
Hey girl, yo video. I know. She's saying that to me.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, hey, so cute, don't get excited. Look at her, she gets so excited when she
I know.
sees me.
It's inevitable.
It's like
Yep.
Alfie girl, Alfie girl, Alfie girl, Alfie go over there. No, Alfie, I'm trying to record you. Alfie girl. Hey girl. Alfie. Look at her neck. You said she couldn't move her neck.
No. It's because she was doing this like all day yesterday. Head bobbing and doing that.
Yeah.
And she sounds really raspy right now.
I know.
Her voice could also be changing because she's in that state. Like puberty. No,
Yeah.
Not puberty, but like she's, 3 months old.
But in ducky years.
Oh, she's still a baby. Then she's like at adolescence.
You still a baby. I know she is. She's like, she's hungry. She's like, this is the girl that gives me those grapes.
Yeah.
He's like, what the heck? Alfie girl.
That's what I need to do. I'm definitely gonna pick up peas at Publix.
Yeah, because what time did Publix closes?
9.
9.
I believe 9.
She's like experimenting. She's like, what is all this? This is a new place.
Yeah, they close at 9.
She's like, this is a new place. She's like looking around to see what she can eat.
Her little beak gets curious.
I know.
That's why I need to take her out tomorrow because she needs to like dig and
She
forage.
does. She's like, where's that Chucky? Where's that Chucky doll? where's the Chucky doll? Where's that Chucky doll?
She's so funny.
Oh my god, where's the Chucky doll? I'm sorry I threw away. I didn't mean to give you the Chucky doll.
She was sleeping, wakes up to what looks like a not moving dead duck. She plopped right in front of her, and then you, ding, with a big smile on your face. She's like, what the fuck?
She's like, where's that Chucky doll? Where's the Chucky doll? Chucky doll.
You just killed this duck and brought it to me?
Put it underneath me.
Put it underneath me for what?
You're gonna do the same to me.
She's so funny.
Yeah. You're a beautiful girl.
She don't even know that.
No. I know you're a Moscavi girl. You're Opie girl.
When they live like in captivity with proper care, she can live up to 15 years.
Yeah. There is a what's it called?
She'll go for your toes. Your toes. She'll get your toes.
Tan linda. Ay, bella. You good girl. I know she's like totally looking around.
Oh, I know.
She's like, what is all this? What is all this? Did you fed her already?
Oh, yeah.
What does she eat normally?
She just eats her pellet food. We need to get her new food because she's getting to the age where she doesn't need such high protein in her food anymore.
Uh-huh.
So we have to swap it out. And also, I like, yeah, I have to pick up these peas.
She's like,
Because she needs like snacks and
she's
stuff.
like, yeah, she does. She's looking for snacks over here.
Oh yeah, she's probably hungry now.
Yeah. Are you hungry? She wants, make sure you get grapes for her.
Oh, I will. I'll pick up some peas,
Yeah.
some grapes. I'll get all
Yeah.
the good stuff for her.
Aww.
How much do you think my Adderall is gonna be?
Oh.
Monkey.
Oh, $15.
Okay, cool. How much is on this? How much do I have left? Oh wait, I can check. I have the app.
Yeah. And she's like, oh, so happy to get out of the thing.
Oh, well, she doesn't. The only time she spends in her crate
It's when she sleeps.
is like 4 or 5 in the morning. We put her in and then we take her out.
Yeah,
When
no,
we
I
wake up.
know. I know.
$40. Okay, I can definitely pick up some.
No.
Oh, is somebody cold? Oh, somebody's a little chilly. Oh, you're a little chilly.
Hmm.
Oh, come here.
No.
Come here. I know. I know. I know. Gotta get you all nice and dry. I know. I love her so much.
I know, she's so big.
I love her so much.
I know you do. As if you take care of her.
I do take care of her.
You take good care of her since she was a baby.
Oh, come here.
You're just such a baby.
Come here, Munchkin. Oh, you're just...
She was a baby.
Oh, you're just so cold. Oh, you're shaking. Oh, you're so my baby. Oh, my no Munchkin.
Oh, she wants your hair.
Oh, she always wants my hair. Yeah, she always wants to eat my hair. Right, my no puppy.
Aw. She's like all hiding down there. And I went in your room and she was sleeping underneath your neck. I'm like, oh, where's Curly? She's like sleeping. She likes to sleep in your neck.
Since she was a little baby duckling.
Yeah. I know she used to do the same to me when she was very little. She would go in my neck and just go right in there. And that's it.
She pass out?
Yeah, she would fall asleep there. She's so funny. All right, Papi. I'm going to let you get her dressed.
I'm going to get her all nice and dry.
Yeah.
I know, because she's
Dry, yeah.
shivering.